Hello, and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. Today, we are here to discuss key job hunting tips for freshers, which you can start implementing while you are still in college or right now. Freshmen dream of landing their dream job as soon as college finishes. But are you preparing yourself for the right job or just daydreaming? We will tell you 6 practical tips and tricks which you should start executing right away. By the end of this video, you will have some good pointers on what you can do to enhance your chances of securing a job as soon as you graduate. So watch the video till end to gain complete insights. We make educational videos about companies, technology trends and career options to help you propel your career. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. Okay, so let's begin the video. Number 1. Practical experience. One of the problem with current educational system is most of them are still following outdated syllabus which was framed ages ago. This has resulted into huge unemployability gap. What that means is that college pass outs doesn't possess the skills required to do the job. Even the professional educational subjects like engineering has an employability rate of only 57%. So what you should do? Try to gain practical knowledge and not just concentrate on theory for passing marks. How can you gain practical knowledge brings us to the next section, which is number 2, internships and part-time job. Companies provide internships to help students gain experience. It helps beginners to figure out where they fit in and learn the skills required to perform the job. Try to do a good job and develop contacts in the company. Most of the times companies hires the good interns which impressed them. Look out for part-time jobs in the area of your expertise. This will not only help you to learn the skills which matter, but you will also be able to earn some money. Number 3, develop contacts, that is networking. These days, many job positions are filled without even being advertised. Do you know how? It's via referrals. Develop contacts using social media sites like Facebook and LinkedIn. Go out and attend meetups specific to your area of interest. Number 4, social media profile. Gone are those days when recruiters used to look only at resume. Nowadays, candidates' social media accounts are inspected at to understand the personality, red flags, and fitment into the company. It's very important to clean up your social profile. Recruiters will give you a pass if you have been involved in any activity which will raise red flags. Once you clean up, optimize your social profile to help strengthen your image. Please comment if you would like me to do a video on how to clean up and build your social profile. Number 5, strong resume. It's extremely important to have a good resume that doesn't contain any grammar or spelling mistakes and focuses on your accomplishments. Talk about what you have achieved in your college, internship, projects, technical and team skills. Do let me know if you would like me to do a video on how to build a good resume. Number 6, interview preparation. Sixth and the very important tip is to be prepared to face the interview when the day arises. You can't land in a job without acing the interview. Most of the freshers gets cold waves during the interviews as they are not prepared. You don't reach the interview stage all the times. So how can you prepare for interviews? By practice. Practice as much as you can. We are a company which has a big pool of industry experts who have been in your shoes at some point of time. If you want practice for interview, you can book a mock interview with us and we will make sure an industry expert with whom you would like to have the interview gets in touch with you. What does that mean? Let's say if you are preparing for Accenture interview, we will have someone working in Accenture taking your interview. If you want interview in a specific technical skill, let's say Java, we will have an industry expert who is working on Java take an interview of you. So how can you book an interview with us? You can go to our website careerswami.in, open browser and type careerswami.in. Navigate to Book Now on the home page. Click on Book Now. Once you click Book Now, you will have the contact form open in front of you. Fill in your details. Name, let's say Raj. Email, let's say raj@gmail.com. Phone, and what do you want to book? Do you want to book a mock interview or consultation? So let's say mock interview and press submit button. Once you will submit all the details, we will receive your details and we will give you a call to schedule the meeting. You can also contact us at the given email and the phone number provided here. Feel free to browse the website to understand how the process works and how we are set up. We have already helped 1000 plus people and we have a strong consultant base of 50 plus people. Alternatively, you can also call us at the number which is flashing on your screen right now and we will schedule your consultation or mock interview. Thank you for watching.